factory shut down, full day Kaizen in our CNC area. We've got this team working on our changeover time, and we've got this team working on the actual programs. And from what I've seen so far, the results are kind of staggering. So we all think we can't stop working, we can't shut down. You know, oh my God, who's gonna do all that work? And then we never make the necessary improvements. I'm willing to bet the improvements we make today by having the factory shut down get paid back in a week. Like, I'll post the results. Of course, I got camera stand, I'm videoing the whole thing for everybody. But full day Kaizen, nothing happened in the factory. Let's go. This is insane. We gotta do this more. I don't wanna be a spoiler alert on the video, but here's what's happening so far. We took a 2 minute 17 second changeover down to you have to mark things to done?
Technically, yeah. Open, tap, make sure the vacuum is on. Yep.
Then push start.
And I push the start button.
So this is the team working on our changeover Kaizen. We're at the CNC doing a Kaizen event, and I hear the sweet sound of a robot sanding in the background. Never get tired of that. So we're doing the external setup now. According to their list, we divided up internal and external tasks. And now we're doing all of our external setup while the machine is running. And we're also doing a Kaizen event on the actual CNC program. So this is a 2-for-1 deal. Where the table should go for the changeover. That's smart. And now there's some computer tasks.
I'm gonna leave it like that for right now, because I can't accept it until the machine has stopped running. Then I can accept the program.
But you're as far as you can get.
As far as I can go over here.
Right. But normally we would have been doing that after the sheet stopped.
Yes.
So we recorded our current process of the changeover time for loading a machine. So we watched a video, and every step that we took we wrote down. If you look here, every step is written right here, and all of these are done when the machine is not running. So we're trying to eliminate these steps and put them onto the side of when the machine is running, so that we have the quickest changeover possible.
So what's that called when you're analyzing a setup?
Is it this single-minute exchange of dies?
Oh, that's exciting. We're employing some SMED and
internal and external steps. So we currently have 11, and then with all of our improvements, we have 9. As soon as
11 what? 9?
11 steps, and then so we got 11 down to 9.
Okay. And what's your estimate for what's going to happen? What was a changeover time before?
The 11 step changeover time was 2 minutes 17 seconds.
And now, after all of this stuff you guys have got going on, what do you think the changeover time is going to be?
We didn't predict one.
What's your prediction?
All right, our current time is 2 minutes and 17 seconds. I think with what we have set, we can do it in the minute 50. That is 27 seconds of saving.
Shay?
I concur that time.
That's an easy way out. Bobik, any guesses?
I think 1 minute and 45 or 40.
Whoa, 1 minute 45.
I concur with Bobik.
What do you think, Kyla?
Minute and 57.
Okay. So we have our new process we're following. He's executing.
Yep, that's it.
Press accept.
Yeah.
Pull table into a CNC.
Pull the cable goes in. Pull the cable in, like, got a
Pull sheet off.
That's not working.
Move the table back to the original spot. Blow machine off. Unload raw material. Hit vacuum. Press start.
Oh, oh, oh. Shay, show me that time. What? Okay, so you're all back in the think tank here. What's happening?
We're putting all what happened in the external section because those are the things that need to be done.
Reviewing the video, making a new list. You're gonna try and do better than 121?
Yes.
Oh yeah. About that, some more brainstorming and set a new target.
Our original time, our current time, and our goal time. And then if we're feeling ambitious, we'll cut it in half again.
Again.
So I'm speaking for Bobik, I'm his checklist, and Shay is Dylan's checklist. And if we're speaking at the same time, both steps are happening at the same time.
Yeah.
And so we've got the two operators, and we're gonna follow a strict SOP that we read out loud first, and then we'll see what happens.
Loading raw meat on
Go ahead, hit the vacuum button.
Press
Dust
start.
collector. Dust collector's not on.
So we had a little bobble there on the process. So we're gonna reload those parts back over there, and we're just gonna run it again. We've been doing this all day. Run it, run it, run it, like a Formula One race team practicing their pit stops. And we're not gonna stop until it's perfect. We're gonna run it, then we're gonna create an SOP. We're gonna jump on Kaizenify. We're gonna create that SOP with the video. There's gonna be no questions, no guessing, no assuming. These changeovers are gonna just be rock and roll. So cool.
Yeah, you actually turn it on. Yeah, I did hit the vacuum.
33!
What? Okay.
No way. I gotta admit, I thought they were crazy earlier when they said 30 seconds. Check this out. 33 seconds. Take 572. Run it again. writing our SOPs right on the fly in Kaizenify. Making the SOPs right here on the shop floor with our phones in Kaizenify. This is our Kaizen team today. Hi, everybody. I'm making them look excited. We just want to get a little bit of feedback on what everyone thought, how today went, what was your favorite part, that kind of stuff. How'd it go today, Bhavik? What was your favorite part of the Kaizen event today?
Today the Kaizen event went very well. My favorite part that I can think of is the time limit that we have cut down. It took us from 2 minutes and 17 seconds to 1 minute and I don't know 121, and then we again cut down till 25 seconds. That was really amazing. I like that one.
That was fun. What about you, Kyla? You were leading the whole show. This is our group leader or Kaizen leader.
Thanks. I just loved hearing everyone's different ideas, and no idea was like a bad idea, so just considering everyone.
Awesome.
I learned a lot about organizing and a lot about the CNC area that I didn't know about.
Right. That's right, because you're not from that department mostly, so a little cross knowledge. We liked that.
I appreciated how the leader continually got us focused on the topic, because it's easy to get off topic, and then we achieved our goal.
Awesome. Well, I want to say good job, everybody. Yeah.